What you need to know about making money online. In today's times, you are no longer stuck making money by slaving away in someone else's office for hours on end with few vacation or sick days. You now have the ability to make money online and on your own terms. The great news is that this video will help get you started. If you are a good writer, there are many opportunities for you online when it comes to making extra money. For example, check out video writing sites where you can create content to be used for search engine optimization. Many pay more than a few cents per word, making it worth your while. Figure out how much you are looking to make before you begin. For example, I don't want to work for less than $15 per hour, otherwise spending time with my family or completing chores would be more worthwhile to me. What is your worth? Once you determine it, stick to your guns. There are several sites that pay you for giving your opinion about an upcoming court case. These sites ask you to read through the material that will be presented at a legal proceeding and give your opinion on whether the defendant is guilty or not. The amount of pay will depend on the amount of time it will take to read through the material. Use affiliates on your personal website. Do you have a blog or some other sort of presence online? Do you get a lot of traffic? Try affiliate marketing. It requires very little effort on your part. By registering your site with sites like Google AdSense, you could make a considerable amount in passive income. As you can see, there is a host of money-making opportunities waiting for you online. Whether you have a degree or not, there is opportunity for you to make money with the help of your computer. You will really enjoy making a full or passive income thanks to the opportunities out there waiting for you. Affiliate marketing is a sure way to get some extra cash. But there is better than just selling other people's products. You can sell your own products and make affiliates help you to also sell them. How can you achieve this? Pay close attention to the opportunity I will introduce to you. I will show you a site where you can download more than 12,500 digital products. They are all private label products. You can download, edit them, own them, and sell them to keep 100% of the profits. The digital products concerned include marketing software, ebooks, video courses, tutorials, articles, photos, templates, etc. The very good news is that you can start downloading for 100% free. With the free membership, you can download up to 500 products before deciding to upgrade for premium, where you will spend only $67 for a full year membership. Click the link in the description to register and access for free today. As you download the digital products, you can create your own affiliate program and recruit affiliates to sell them for you. In so doing, your profits will skyrocket by more than 1,000% plus. Click the other link in the description to access a platform that will show you how you can create your own affiliate program.